Start by selecting the body measuring option and the gender of your customer. Click Next Step to see the displayed list of body measurements you will need to measure. Measure across the bony points at the outside of the shoulders. Find the location by pressing on the top of the shoulder to find the bony plate and then move outwards to the back to find the rear corner of the bone. Measure from the armpit to the center of the hand. It can be helpful to ask the customer to hold an object such as a pen. Standing straight in bare feet, measure from the ground to the cleft between the collarbones at the top of the sternum. The sternum is the bone in the center of the chest. Identify that and move to the top to find the sternal notch. Ask your customer to remove their shoes and stand with their feet shoulder width apart. If you do not have an INSEAM tool, use a spirit level pressed up fairly firmly to ensure you get an accurate measurement of your cycling inseam. On the opening screen, select the bike option in the filter fields and click Next Step. There you will see a list of measurements you will need to measure. Measure in a straight line from the center of the bottom bracket at the crank bolt to the top of the saddle at a point 140 mm back from the nose of the saddle. Measure the horizontal distance between the center of the bottom bracket and the nose of the saddle. If the nose of the saddle is ahead of the bottom bracket, enter the number as a negative value. Measure the vertical difference between the top of the saddle at the point 140 mm back from the nose of the saddle and the top of the handlebars beside the stem clamp. Measure from the nose of the saddle in a straight line to the middle of the top of the handlebar at the stem clamp. Measure the center to center distance between the drops.